why lokhu isaselayi kahle kuney'meni ezayiphumeleli and some stuff. So I can say with ma-13 into nenye inesikhathi sayo, I understand. I've been receiving a lot of dark talk and some discouraged talk ukuthi abantu emele ngiyothwala and some stuff, and then I don't believe in those things.
Yeah.
So I can say what motivates me, but say it's my life. Yeah, understand. It's my life. I'm not from a good background. Inhlupheko ngiyayazi. I know makublind ejardini, I understand. I know makublind efamilini, I understand. So I can say my life motivates me the most. Yabona manje mangakutshela ukuthi if I was from a good background whereby yonke into ikhona, I understand. Imali ikhona, everybody wonke umuntu uyasifana. I don't think I was gonna be working than I'm working right now. Yabo. Ngabe no music idala ngawuyeka. But always there's this voice keep coming with no push, man. You can make it remember ukuthi usuka ba. Yeah, understand. Remember ukuthi usuka abantu babheke wena, yini babheke wena. And then the next thing I will go around and talk that I made that hit. I made a lot of superstars like us, a lot. Abanye say they are far, especially I'm talking about music industry and some stuff. But right now in this podcast, you won't even hear me say no. No, I don't make it like that.
Yeah, we do.
So yeah, some of these kids I do help them, right them, I understand right for them and some stuff. But it's still, even the song can go crazy and some stuff. Yeah. I don't know if you heard last year December we released another song. Big Secret Skill. He will speak about what doing really produce. We come out with the satanic sound in Yana or everyone who has the outcala badala number of Baraki Mang. Even though Basaboni is so wide, because of sound we are far now, not still say Ula, I understand. But if ever Fanaku Shapatian, more Shapan Nini Shampa protect, Nini Shampa pro house, Nini Shampa deep house, Nini Shampa, you come on Masifa, and the why. The way you operate champion, how can I receive a piano is the simple thing one solar you got that thing going and some stuff. So would the general say you're not gonna work the same way? I understand it's only challenge and then I challenge with all Kaya Strange. Piano is so that's another thing why I like approaching a lot of genres, a lot of sounds because this skill understand skill something you when you become more dope and dangerous. I want to go to Chasha.
Hola, thank you guys for tuning us once again. It's your boy tuning session that mnyama ngaphandle bemkhaphe ngenhliziyo bathi say show mnyama bariki Galaxy Boy laba bangaziyo yazi bafethu. Yeah, we're back again with another episode bafethu. Today I'm having you one. It is just this ninja bafethu mkonti. And then like funny story guys, like before the sharpest episode, ngihleli naye ubapho ngapha ngamtshela ngithi eXhagazini ngifuna ukushaya podcast and then like to be my first guest. Mara athi no. Ithi ngicale ngithi ikhulisa nyani audience angithola ukuthi makafika yina yangithola ecliti sibe sithe gacanyana. Angisho ukuthi semanje sithe gaca mara kufana ukuthi like first episode into ezinjalo angithola. Yeah, so twist.
Say what's cooking after baking it for artist studio number one superstar you already know. Say phakathi inside say show on my side it's going down lona labona kinhloselini kimawaza irikeni you already know. More straight up more kotsatsa is happening it's your number one superstar if usangithi shebelela TV you already know what you know the best. Shout out.
Tako ula kukhwezi uzelela yeah ngiyakuzwa twist uyamishina abeke ngiyakuzwa la uyamishina urishebelele TV abasawuyiqavira so like I once saw you SABC one like what was cooking there, what was happening that side?
I say that to sharp as you already know I've been doing this work of mine for a decade right now, 10 years plus more, looking 15 years and some stuff. So that deleted and some stuff, I got the opportunity to again about this other track I produced out.
Yeah.
So the guy was there, after for mine some stuff. So they kind of asked that, no, who did the production and some stuff. So that's how I got myself to that SABC one. if o ka kena o shebelele repeat o tla una le mo ke mo ishinang tsatsa di ba sa itsebi tsatsa ke kena ke re no tsatsa ke place so wa bone they were all shocked at TV that's why
Yeah.
and then they had to ask me what I do and lot of things. So that track ke yona e entseng hore I end up finding myself that go SABC one and some stuff. So big shout out to Kenze Brandingana.
Yeah.
It's another vibe. Shout out.
Yeah, guys, which is a musician, producer, vocalist, like everything. Like this guy can produce 64 genres. 64. So like in Tarung Tatung Fegestars, maybe genre njani the track leli elenze ukuthi usithola uda kudedithetha. It was the piano, the compo, hip hop. Cause me, I know you like you specialize look at hip hop. So like maybe pitch and
Yeah, it was some kind of hip hop nyana. Wabona style Pitur. Maglera sana, maglera di nyana. That type of sound I understand.
Yeah.
So ntwana eliona ngintwana ya Pitur we bayiri kopani da juice wabo. We just made today, and then I had to produce some of his work, and then only to find out the song it was a hit. So then I poison and push and then he got a slow to rap for me at SAPC one, and then that's how I got myself that TV. I was on that track.
Yeah, that's good. So since you are a producer of 64 genres, I can really like how to producer. Our Velango ka 64.
Yeah,
like you were doing only one specific genre. Which one was that one?
Yeah, there's no specific genre actually because this thing is not something that is started. So I understand.
Yeah.
Maybe growing up and then after some while, you now get inspired. Maybe you saw someone on TV and then now you wanna do music as well. But for me, actually, I can say it was a calling from a young age. I just grew up doing it. So it was few genres nyana. I can say 3-4 nyana because I remember back then I used to love a lot. I wanna die house there back then. Before piano and some stuff. And then the hip hop nyana. And some R&B now I understand.
Yeah.
So that's why I was kind of playing house, R&B and hip hop. So as time goes on, I understand. That's how I started blending all these things, and then I started trying other things as well. So I think the most important thing that helped me, I never allowed to be defeated by any kind of a beat or a genre. There was a time I was scared. I had to hear some of my friends say, "No, we're going to the Wi-Fi. We're going to download beats and some stuff."
Okay.
That way it used to do a lot of impact. Or how can I leave? Some of my guys go and download beats while I know how to do the things. You understand?
Yeah.
So it started there. People were no longer downloading beats and some stuff because obvious genres are not the same. In other genres, I'm gonna find like challenges and some stuff. But I always kept trying.
Yeah.
And never allowed to be defeated. Day by day. So like from there in all the genres, I treated all the genres with the respect and they say this skill is on until fanda.
Okay, I hear you, Mara. So do you remember the first song you recorded?
Not really, I've been working, not really, it's been a decade.
Yeah.
It's been a decade, not really. Not really.
So do you remember me in your studio? Recording some
yeah, I think so. And looking what you're doing as well, it's nice right now. It's safe to make sure you link up, make sure you keep following, you keep subscribing all the way from the podcast show here.
Yeah.
It's doing a really great work. But if you can see Kasi between any talent, I have realized that Kasi, especially that there's a lot of talent, but now then many people they are sleeping on top of this thing. I understand now not so rich and the other thing people they're gonna see in show. avaya ka-Transale forget ukuthi neali yi-strateni wamthola ubekiwe
Understand?
the next thing alimbona avaya ka-Ntshwengweni imona fela, I understand.
Yeah.
So that's what I wanna say ukuthi bafethu, the guys doing the great work. Make sure you keep subscribing. Lo wena awublomi mo ushebeletse la yini utshela kithi na if ucava uNtswembu ka something, make sure you are the next guest. Understand? Don't sleep on yourself. Believe in yourself. Njaka unamasimba sana uNtswembu. Understand? Into engafuneki ukwali kumele sibambaneni sonke kasi siphusheni siyeni phambili.
What a ringers, yeah, like straight ring the artist. So artist, what motivates you to keep doing music after all these years? Like you never give up, you always pushing. What?
Yeah, that's a very good question because I believe some of you, my followers, are following, are listening. Surely you have looked at man layout. Why don't you say like us? Many years I put in some stuff. So I can say with my 13 to I understand.
Yeah.
I've been receiving a lot of dark talk and some discouraged talk ukuthi abantu emailing uthwala and some stuff and then I don't believe in those things.
Yeah.
So I can say what motivates me, but it's my life. Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
My life. I'm not from a good background. Inhlupheko ngiyayazi. I know makublind ejaridini, I understand. I know makublind efamilini, I understand. So I can say my life motivates me the most. Yabona manje mangakutshela ukuthi if I was from a good background whereby yonke into ikhona, I understand.
Yeah.
Imali ikhona, everybody wonke umuntu uyasifana. I don't think I was gonna be working than I'm working right now. Yabo. Ngabe no music idala ngawuyeka. But always there's this voice keep coming with no push, man. You can make it. Remember ukuthi usuka ba. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Remember ukuthi usuka abantu babheke wena, yini babheke wena, and so your family is looking up on you. So most if you can listen my music vele it is an influence, in life nje, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Even within instrumental, nanoma ngingathi rapping into something, but whatever that is my hands, man, it's not something engiyenzayo nje kuphela for imali or for fun. It's something I put my heart and soul there. I know impilo, I know in life, I know ukufayiziseka. Whenever I play piano, whenever I play guitar or do something, I put my life there, So I can say my life motivates me to keep going. I understand.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then, like, if there's one thing I've noticed about you like to give opportunities to the younger ones.
Exactly.
Like, because I've been following you on TikTok. Like, so do you write songs for those young boys and girls?
Yeah, if ever I can see that you've got a potential, Yana, the things that with a talent, you can have a talent, but ungakwazi ukufikelela at a certain level. But as me, since I have an experience with over 15 years and more, you understand?
Yeah.
I can look at you and see, the kid has a potential, and then in the morning, okay, how can I help to enhance the song you're coming with? Yeah. And then the next thing I won't go around and talk that I made that kids. I made a lot of superstars like us, a lot. Abanye say that they are far, especially I'm talking about music industry and some stuff. But now in this podcast, you won't even hear me say no. No, I don't work like this.
Yeah.
So some of these kids I do help them, write them. I understand, write for them and some stuff. But still, even the song can go crazy and some stuff. Yeah. I don't know if you heard last year December we released another song. It's titled December. The song was doing great. It was over 117,000 views and some stuff. The song is deep. So I wrote the song, I helped the kids write the song, some stuff, I produced the song as well. But even today you won't hear me talking a lot and some stuff. So I like working, understand that with the young youth and some stuff, because I see with the Kasi has a talent, I understand. I Kasi in a talent, and then you want to okay, if ever I'm not doing that, I want to do is those of things and some stuff, I understand. Because looking environment, there's a lot of corruption happening. Asifuni le ntwana mazikhulu azibona ukuthi layout ijump ibonda ngathi ayiphuma netrol iphuma nefridge. They gonna think that's the living. But when they see see us sitting here, see us doing the thing, TV rapping and some stuff, trying to push, they know that no man, there's something else. I just wanna inspire understand. Change the world. That's the vibe. Big shout out to everybody.
And then we've got the new superstar, Mukasi, Kelly Potman. Do you know Kelly
Oh,
Fatma?
yeah.
Like the girl she's pushing.
Yeah,
So don't you have a way of advising her for her or yeah.
Yeah, so far I didn't check most of her music, So far I didn't check most of her music. Maybe that she even checked some of my stuff, yeah. Not to be kind of rude in some stuff. I've been hearing about and some stuff. When you far, you can hear that, no, someone is pushing. Maybe now she heard that, no, there's other twist is pushing this. But for me to check her stuff, it's only hearing. So right now, there's no a lot I can see, understand? But I can say that, she needs to keep pushing, doing what she does, stay away from a discouragement, because people they can discourage you, understand? Even even the vision, we don't have the same vision here, I understand. The reason why most of Amachita stays singing down one because we're now, for example, you can study podcast and awufuni iphelele like us. Awufuni uyibona iferu, let's have Scott Mapuma and some stuff. If you believe in yourself, njami ingathunakala and ingana ingathunakali ngabantu ohengathubone, understand. So I can say to her, if she's listening, she needs to keep doing, but be aware of abantu avaya nabo, because sometimes labantu labo ohengathubona, they can be the reason why ungayiphambili, I understand. Because you thinking ukuthi bayibo abakusalutayo at the same time bayakubonela, I understand. Abana vision efana neyakho mawuqala ubatshela ukuthi no, ngifuna ukubona ngifana nobani bani, no zinqumalo nobani bani, kubo ijugo like abanambono efana nawo. But otherwise, she needs to keep working. I hope one day so shall something into him. Big shout out to the boy.
That is very nice. So yes, my question. Obviously, you know that Amapiano are the dominating trend. So why don't you stick Amapiano just for a little one year and see if
that is a very powerful question in Germany. But looking the music right now, there's a lot happening. I'm told there's a lot of new stuff coming. The genre can never be always in the top marketplace. Unaluri hype ya yulu ayaye, so I understand. Meaning money travel go combo midnight airing na you what and so some stuff. Even Lima Piano Leona, you will never know that 5 years from now, because it's happening. Who can the AI? A lot of things are happening. It's a lot happening. So now I'm another different kind of a producer. I can never say no, I stick to one sound because nobody knows tomorrow. I understand. Now he jump into a vibe. I understand. He jump into a vibe. I understand. That's how I work. Same time I'm a producer, same time I've got a business mindset, You can never start in a genre whereby you see you rauna mo young and now zaga, I understand. Because how can know the new generation only the intelligent ones, they're gonna survive. So my advice to young producers, young musicians, I can say, everyone AI, don't try to fight AI, I understand. Try to work with it because that day ngito senior and yazwakala itswetsa mawaza amanzi. Akuyani piano itwearing some stuff, but a lot is coming. And how come mamela music one you'll hear that time, man, there's a lot happening. It's no longer that raw music happening. Everybody will tell that the AI wants to look at you and to say bye, I understand. So looking from 4-5 years, so out of me. You
can
speak for one change. I recognize a secret of an NSC, a big secret skill. I will speak more one general producer. With a Satan sound in Yana or everyone muka say, I'll call up Badala number of Baraki Kimangman. Even though Basaboni because why? Because of sound we are trying now, not skill is a I understand. But if ever Fanaku Shapa piano, Moru Shapa Nicom, Nini Shapa Afro Tech, Nini Shapa Afro House, Nini Shapa Deep House, Nini you come on massive and because why? the way you approach piano, kaofela ra tseba piano it's a simple thing. One sola you got that BPM going, leading and some stuff. So who the genres saying you're not gonna work the same way. I understand. You totally challenge and that challenge we go kayang crash. Piano ko yet some moving to him. I understand. So that's another thing why I like approaching a lot of genres, a lot of sound and so because this skill. Understand skill you become more dope and dangerous. Yeah, but speaking sounding A1, you're gonna have that mentality around again, you say
you read on ground. So like have you ever signed record
No. You know, right now I don't wanna sign. You can make it fair reply and understand. You can make it fair reply. Those who know they know, I understand. Especially those who follow me, they know. And I still wanna give them to Baba Sat Latelang Kitropile Fandak. I just released another song. It's called My Niggas Is Out. Hip hop, it's not a piano, but you go check it out to YouTube. I understand. I Spotify and some stuff. It's another track. So this song, it's not just any song. I understand. It's a song a ringang lima chita. I understand. It's a song a ringang lima chita. Wabona how lim chita. They're gonna be many people you see, but those are not just people. Unali bat about oki mang manji. Unali bat about oki mang how bonam so bonabo ma 10, 5 years nelili ona together. Zanga ujigela upi unali mo you were needing him the most nearly that one. So more ile wa jiga bantu ile wa etsalang ukena mathateng. That guy was there one. So the song speaks about it. How about you know some of your guys bao bata buru ba salute re no mpe. How tsi buru kam lebo wa jwang so ta no mpe you been there. Kile ka pa se ya kile masipeng kile mawazeng ke sa tsile ke tlo tswa jwang mara no leader one. So the song speaks about that one. So motivation is for the real ones. Green sharp one. So true hustlers, machita focus, keep the spirit, keep pushing. I understand. If you wanna give a big thanks for that one of you guys, this is the trend to play on, you know. Make sure you go and stream, make sure you go and give it a listen, big shout out, my faith. So some of the guys I used to push with, some of Bona, they are no longer until a part of this life, and so like they are leaving some of them, you know, because of this life challenges. So it's a tribute song as well, dedication song as well. Understand?
So have you ever worked with someone like afterwards, have a depression, music, or like have a stress, have a and then
depression? It is a lot. Going from the first topic, the background and some stuff, there's a lot. You are now we are in the music. But now when you are from a good background, like you really understand. You are from a good background, everything is dope. Understand? It's gonna be easy for when you to give up. You understand? But looking someone lot in lo muntu uyasaba ufuna ukufika ba. Uyasaba ufuna ukuzibona ngitshela ukuthi noma ngabanjani angeke give up lo muntu. But there are people who abafika fandake studio sengiyarepa sengiyacula no, there's no inspiration, no nothing. I understand. So it's a lot, but with all due respect, I can't mention names. I understand, but there's a lot. Perfect. Something is fun. I'm able to figure out what I'm saying. Show you the podcast. I'm figure family. If ever una vision is strong and soul and physique, tomorrow you're gonna be discouraged. You no longer doing the podcast, not knowing the shot and it's so fair, so baba. There's a lot of us. I want to figure out why, because that's fun. So it's
arena uyenzela na for fun nje uyachazeka na
something keep going and some stuff. Understand? Even ngenhliziyo bafethu I can say ukuthi ungazi ngenhliziyo encane in this entertainment thing ngiyakholwa ukuthi inhliziyo yabona. I can say empilweni if wena ushaya something and then wonke umuntu uthi viva kuwe, if only viva azikho ezithi hayi something is wrong.
Kumele kube nelabo ezikubonela.
Kumele zibe khona ukuthi hayi lezi amajuzi zihlala yetratini. Kube khona ukuthi hayi khusha ntwana khusha. Manje wonke umuntu makazothi hayi Hayi, something.
Yeah. Ngiyami one ethi ngatshintsha laphayana yenza kanje yazi kunalezi vele ezizenza ingathi vele hayi wena kwamele uthi nabona wathi angizela nje ukuthi understand as before we start episode I normally ask people their ringers of the day. Their ringers could be anything, like maybe any advice for, but they've already given a lot of advice. Yeah, so
you know what? One thing I can add based on what you are saying.
yeah,
Bafethu ongizwa grand. Ngiyabona in a life nami I've learned a lot. Bafethu life ayina riding ukuthi ngibona intwana encane yabo ma 7 years yabo ma 8 years. Mayizama uku-addressa something, izama ukungilike. Mina ngizange mind ukuthi le ntwana uzange ngemind ukuthi artist ngeke ngizwe artist ngeke ngizwe umseshu ngeke ngizwe ngintwana encane ayisifani kanjalo yazi ukuthi umuntu ongakwenza ukuthi le bands boloku dreama ngayo in many years ngithola ukuthi uloku uzibuza ukuthi ungayibhaka kanjani uthola ukuthi impendulo yakho isentwanini encane into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi pride bafethu
angeke isebenze
pride emuva bafethu mawufuna ukuzibona uNtswembu empilweni so ngaloko sika ama advice kubo macala bakho nabantu ababhaya obasalutaya kanti only to find out that impendulo yakho isentwanini encane nyana intwana engafika ethi hamba lifothi man awungayenzi kanje yenza kanje yayibona la indlela so into engingasho ukuthi bafethu pride emuva understand so if ungizwile lezi zinto lezi engizishilo some of mina you gonna get a lot of help yangithola from what you have been listening here yangithola with all due respect salute.
Yeah, phela mina ngikhulumela phezulu ungakufika umunye umjita athi aseshe ngiyakubona shay podcast mara relaxa kancane no uthola iroom libe like uyabona uthola amakhamera like uyabona like ngiyakutshela kunabantu athi ungashaya ngefoni because mashaya ngefoni ayina quality wena maybe camera understand like izinjalo
mina maye ngabe ngiphakathi kwekhanda lalowo muntu abamtshela ukuthi ungashayi ngefoni hayi ngempela even nanoma bekukhona iNokia etoto enecamera ngiqala ngithola uqala ngariding unayo yangithola because isikhathi the perfect time will never come man bafethu yangithola some of nina eniyiwo ngalokuthi yazi ngifuna ukushaya ikhawashi yazi ngifuna ukwenzani if ulokwenza kanjalo uzohlezi uyishove ekhandeni lakho riding because awuka-act. I understand. Izohlezi iringa. I understand. Kumele kube into echayo iziyenze yangithola. Yeah. Awuka 8. Uloku uyashova nje. Injalo. So abantu abazokutshela ukuthi amsesho ungashuthi ngempela. Ngoba amakhamera thola le number izohlezi idlala emindini yakho. Uzophapha intwana ezincane ugeleze nazo zidlula ngezinye izinto. Wena umila amakhamera kasa nangodaka futhi bakunethi imbuzi yayibona la into uyabona mana uwo ezithulile so ningayimamelini bafethu dade ukuthi tamsesho lempela saqala ngamakhamera imakancane awungashuthi hayi bafethu you know when I started doing the recording and some stuff we're talking like 14 years 20 years back I'm told I only had a laptop and a headset I'm told people, there's gonna be always people who talking. I'm sorry. Imagine if I'd listened to those people, but I found out I went with a budget like 25,000. I upgraded my studio. I bought speakers. I bought proper computers. I bought my stuff. Now my studio is worth like 25,000 and some stuff. If you follow me, you know what I'm talking about. See my equipment. I didn't wake up on any equipment. Don't let anybody discourage you. Young producers and some stuff. Yeah, understand. I didn't wake up on any equipment. You're gonna start today in a laptop yan. You're gonna start in a mic yan and in a phone yan. People will say, when I'm able to figure it out, you're gonna listen. It's funny. Keep pushing. Remember why you started. Remember why you started. One of the same people, they're gonna see you big stars, and then they're gonna say, Antonayam. Because now they see which there's a light, there's a future. I would reach you now. So yeah, big shout out, but big shout out.
Small artist are you? That's like what post song is.
Oh yeah,
it is
yeah,
you.
I do everything. I understand. Yeah, via my music, you can never hear me rapping with
So,
sometimes because the audience, can't do me. Do I understand?
yeah,
My audience doesn't allow me to do that. Do I understand? So my audience, normally the way I do my music, it's like 40% Zulu, 30% English, and some other vernacular stuff. Go listen to my new stuff, and then big shout out. Don't share me freestyle nyana before Kuma just to keep the spirit moving. I understand. So some session will tell me what I know. It's a podcast. In sharing a freestyle nyana.
Yeah, but it's that time, dude. Yeah, we can close it because we are 30 minutes. Yeah.
I want to say that we can close it. Freestyle.
Yeah, we're freestyle.
Yeah. It's it. Kala besi yasantwana bathi ngeke siphumelele ngilala amabhit kuze kunuke sengikusuzele ngiyahlanya ngekhanda ngekulunge mase siphelele lili siphanda sigcwala isiganga manje sesibasondele ngidlala ngama-flow ngifaka uparafini iqhuma ibhithi mase ngicala ukuhlanya ngithatha umntwana ngimvalele ngithi ngiflowa yonke indawo ngiyahlasela manje ngirikhi city kuphanda kuze kuyiwe ngeke ngiflome ngingakatholi city sure ngikushaya one line 2 guns udala ikhanda umcabanga ukuthi sifake ispontsha or ispinza Dopeside, 2 line. This is a freestyle. Mom making a Mukalisa Gama Willis. Zanamawaza Tiara 2 Pias Laga Billis. 2 lines, 2 touchdown. This is a freestyle. I didn't write this shit. My pen is broken. Don't claim again. You're gonna be taken. They call me Tweezy. I can make sure that you go dizzy. Don't forget that today is a free chilling and freeze.
Yeah, but easy. So what are you do? So like, what do you wanna say? What do you wanna say? Okay. Yeah, the case. I go So okay, expect that my project, before the end of the year. Like, can you expect any project or?
I don't wanna miss. I don't wanna mention a lot, but a lot is coming. A lot is coming. A lot is coming. I was shocked the other day. I saw myself and Upse commented on my post. Some stuff. So, I don't want to mention a lot, but I was shocked about it. So I didn't believe now. If you wanna see the post I'm talking about, go on my Facebook, check the video I was doing a scooter baba. Shy line and I mentioned and some stuff. That line she's applying the line. Just go and say artist Tweezy scooter baba freestyle. Go on a video and a lot of guys commented it. So now I'm saying that I video about and I want to take into one. So I can say maybe we might come up with something I understand. But besides that there's a lot coming. There's a lot coming. I don't want to mention so far, but
a lot is
big
coming.
Shout out. Streaming, big shout out, but
I go. Yeah, guys, so don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Tango.